Hey guys, look what came in the mail today, another credit card. So as always, we will do a full unboxing and review of this card in this video. I have not opened this card, as I never do. You'll see this is sealed, as you can see right here. So we will open this up, do the unboxing on camera, and I try to give you as much of an authentic unboxing experience as possible. What's exciting about this is that this is an Fnbo credit card. The credit card is called Getaway, and I have not had a card from this issuer before, so I'm excited to see what's in the box.
What's in the box?
And really see the quality of the card. And we will also discuss about the benefits of this card and the sign-up bonus. So let's dive right into it. All right, here we have the envelope. Let's cut it open. Okay, at first they say touch-free checkout is now as easy as tap and go. Yeah, this is a tap and go feature. Most cards have this, but it's always good to know that the credit card you're getting have this as well. Okay, Fnbo, here's some FAQs. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail with this. Feel free to pause this video if you guys want to read it. Okay, so welcome. This is Getaway by Fnbo. Here it says, start earning unlimited 3x points per dollar spent on travel, dining, and gas. Okay, here you see a bunch of people having fun. Here are some phone numbers. Here it says how much points you're going to get on spend. Turn monthly payments into unlimited rewards. You could redeem for travel, merchandise, gift cards, cash back. My personal favorite, cash back. Okay, you get FICO score, fraud protection, contactless payment. Airport concierge, receive 15% savings in personalized airport services. No foreign transaction fees, always a good thing if you're traveling abroad. And here are some FAQs as well. Not going to go into a lot of detail, but your points don't expire. And that's about it. Here's the card member agreement. You always get this online as well, but I like to have a physical copy for my records. Always good to have. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail, just kind of glancing through that and showing you guys what comes in the envelope with the card. Feel free to pause if you guys want to read it in detail. And there's some other items too. Alright guys, finally the card itself. Alright, as you can see I had to kind of black out the account number, but I got a credit limit of 15,000 with a cash limit of 3,000. This is a World MasterCard. And okay, the good thing is there's no card numbers in front, so that allows me to do a better unboxing for you guys. Here it says enroll online to activate. Let me take off this sticker. Getaway by Fnbo. You know, I think the background looks really good with the card. I might just use this as my thumbnail. Let me know what you guys think. So it's a pretty simple card. It says my name. It has a World MasterCard. We know it has tap to pay, but it doesn't have the tap to pay symbol here that shows it has that feature. Here's the chip. It says Getaway by Fnbo. Now, this card, if you go directly onto the website, it does not have a sign-up bonus, but I applied through a mail-in offer that I received. So this one has a $300 sign-up bonus for a $1,000 spend. So that's about a 30% return on spend. I think $1,000 in 3 months is quite doable. That's why I actually applied for this. I'll see if I could find a link that would allow you to get the same sign-up bonus, and I'll share that in the description for you guys if I have that. Also, this credit card has no annual fee, so it's a $0 annual fee, $300 sign-up bonus, easy to hit that. The back of this card, I just looked at it, it's all white. It has the numbers and the expiry and everything else on it. Nothing to note, plus it has the numbers on it, so I'm not going to show you the back of the card, but there's nothing to note anyway. Pretty standard card. It's, as you can see, it's glossy. I don't like glossy cards. It usually makes cards look really cheap, but hey, it is what it is. Fnbo is not a big issuer. It bends, it's plastic. Yep, no one's really gonna be impressed if you drop it on the table or something. But hey, it does what it needs to do. I still stand by the fact that the best no annual fee card in terms of quality is the Apple Card. I have a full unboxing and review of this, extremely tech advanced, so really, really awesome. And if you want to go with one of the major banks, major issuers, instead of Apple, you could go with the US Bank credit cards for a no annual fee credit card. Those are metal cards, they don't bend. Still the gold standard when it comes to high quality credit cards. I just don't know why most other banks cannot do that, but hey, it is what it is. I just want to show you guys exactly what comes in the envelope and how the card feels. I personally care about the benefits of the card as much as I care about the quality of the card. Usually people lean one way or another. Either they care about the quality or they care about the benefits. I care about both. So, especially with today's competition, we expect more from these issuers. So just want to give you guys a clear picture of what you can expect. So yeah, hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. And if you like contents like this, I do have many videos on my channel talking about credit cards, unboxing and reviews. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and do a quick search on my channel if there's a specific credit card you want to know more about. And if you guys have any questions, as always, just leave that in the comment section below and I will get back to you. With that being said, I will end this video here. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.